Wait! Dampa Style to sa Clark? Yan ang Queen's Garden sa Clark Freeport Zone. Ito yung restaurant na di mo alam kung market ba or dining. Pero here's the twist. May fresh market sila inside. Seafood, meat, vegetable, fruits. Tapos pwede kang pumili then ipahanda mo. Dampa experience sa loob ng Clark. Yung mixed seafood nila, this is the move. Fresh catch, then luto nila based kung anong gusto mo. At grabe yung serving ha. May lapo-lapo din sila na sweet and sour. Malaki, fresh, yung tipong parang kanina lang nahuli sa dagat. But here's what shocked me. Japanese food nila, legit. California maki, sushi, tempura, hindi lang basta-basta ang quality. For real deal Japanese. May Filipino classics din. Chicken and asal, baked shells with cheese, at Korean dishes pa. 3 cuisines, 1 restaurant. Japanese, Korean, and Filipino. Kaya kahit sinong kasama mo, may makakain. Tapos yung alfresco nila, native vibe. May lights, open air, and perfect for company dinner or chill lunch out. Tourists will love this place and locals will know about it. It's easy to find. Nasa CSM Building, CM Recto Avenue lang. Kasi isipin mo, pumili ka ng sarili mong seafood, pinaluto mo kung anong gusto mo, plus may option ka pa ng Japanese, Korean, or Filipino dishes all in one place. At yung ambience, romantic kung gusto mo, family friendly din, chill lang, parang mini vacation sa loob ng Clark. Queen's Garden is located sa Clark Freeport Zone, CSM Building, Claro M. Recto Avenue. Your Dampa meets fine dining spot. 3 cuisines, fresh paluto options, al fresco vibes, and inside Clark. Sino bang nag-isip nito? Comment your go-to order and follow Luenthai Pampanga for more.